related to Sushant Singh Rajput death case. Amid CBI and ED probe into the drug angle in this entire matter, cornered Riya Chakrabarti's drug ring is finally cracking, it seems. Manager Shruti Modi, whose name featured prominently in those drug chats with Riya, has, through her lawyer, disclosed the name of the biggest drug supplier in Mumbai, who is a controversial, politically linked celebrity builder.
Now, as far as drugs are concerned, it's a very common thing in the film industry. If you remember, one of the TV actresses has committed suicide, and her boyfriend was in the clouds, and there was a news that he was supplier of the drugs. There were other news also, like Mamta Kulkarni and others. So it's a very common factor. Even today, if you wander around the Lokhandwala area and Oshiwara area, I'm sure you will be in a position to get some person who is ready to deliver you the things. So it's a very common thing in the film industry. Now, as far as the supply, etc. is concerned, it is also within the knowledge of the police authorities as to how these things are being supplied. All these drugs are being supplied by one of the topmost person in the trade, that is Mr. Khatri. Now, as far as Mr. Khatri is concerned, he is a very big person. I believe today...
What's his full name, sir?
Imtiaz Khatri.
Okay.
I believe that today, since I am taking his name, tomorrow there might be some problems with me also, because he is that kind of influential person. He do not have influence only in the Bollywood, but also in the ministry. He is very close to the political party, that is NCP. And I must tell you, his two family members were also involved in the irrigation scheme running into thousands of crores of rupees. They were behind the bar, and it is only after the present government came into existence they have been granted bail. So
who are those two relatives, sir, if you can name for our viewers?
Father and son, both were behind the bar for almost, I can say, about 2 years. And thereafter, when the present government came, obviously their own government has come, and therefore they have been bailed out. Now,
we have one video of also 2017 party where Mr. Khatri, allegedly Mr. Khatri, can be seen guiding Sushant, controlling him, guiding him to the vehicle.
Sir, I'll tell you that if you look at that video will show how many politicians have attended to that party. Now, I'm sure that you will find at least the number of MLAs of Maharashtra Assembly as it was at that point of time attending that party, which will show the kind of influence he was having upon the politicians.
So you're making these allegations on Imtiyaz Khatri. Has ever any link of him in the past came with the drug cartel or drug racket? How much you are sure when you're making these allegations on Mr. Imtiyaz Khatri?
Sir, I have got this information from the video chats which I have in my possession. Of course, Khatri is not named, but the person whom I have named, Sohail Sagar, that he has specifically named these persons. I must tell you, Bandra police has called him, and he was there at Bandra police station for about a day, and thereafter, obviously, since he has got a big connections, he was allowed to go, and no records have been made. If you take out the footage of Bandra police station, you will find his presence. But subsequently, all the records about his attendance, etc., that has gone. So this entire trade is being controlled by Mr. Khatri, and it is nothing new, because since I am concerned with the film trade, I come across so many persons who are taking the drugs, who are known to me, who are being forced to take the drugs, and on some of the occasions, because of say want of work, etc., they are being forced to go into this line.
There you go, a tell-all interview of Shruti Modi's lawyer. Arunil is joining me live on the broadcast now. Arunil, these are some sensational revelations from Shruti Modi's lawyer. He's categorically naming this celebrity, politically linked builder in the city, Imtiyaz Khatri. Goes on to, in fact, describe how everyone in the top even in the top governance perhaps could be aware of this man's presence and the way he supplies drugs.
Well, one can easily connect the dots now, Preeti, that why no action was initiated against this alleged drug mafia link with Bollywood. Was there a major cover-up by the Mumbai police? This despite the family alerting the Mumbai police that the drug mafia link in the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput needs to be probed as well. But the Mumbai police had conveniently ignored it, neglected it. Now acting on the instructions of Maharashtra government, that's what we understand. So whom they were exactly protecting, that becomes very apparent with respect to this conversation with Ashok Sarogi. And now speaking about Imtiaz Khatri, reportedly a very dubious character, a frequent visitors to all the Bollywood parties, mainly most of the Bollywood parties. And yes, he is very close to many A-list Bollywood personalities as well. You can see pictures, if you type his name on Google, you can see many such pictures with A-list Bollywood actors. He's close to the politicians as well, basically the political class in the state of Maharashtra, particularly from one party which also has the home ministry in the state of Maharashtra. The reason for that is two relatives of Imtiaz Khatri, they were basically arrested and imprisoned for 2 years in the irrigation scam. Now we know who was the other leader from NCP who was part of the irrigation scam. So dots can be connected to a certain extent, and these are the claims of Ashok Sarogi, the lawyer of Shruti Modi, who basically is saying that Imtiaz Khatri needs to be thoroughly probed, and he is one of the main kingpins in this entire nexus of Bollywood and drug mafia, and it needs to be interrogated.
Okay, Arunil, parallel investigation is happening at several levels right now. When Riya Chakrabarti is being quizzed by the CBI, Gaurav Arya is being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate, and now Shruti Modi's lawyer has given this interview and blown the lid off this entire, mafia that exists. So, did he also mention anything about Gaurav Arya possibly, and how this man is connected to Riya?
Well, Preeti, if we look at it, around 4 drug peddlers, out of that, one is considered to be a main link in this Bollywood drug mafia nexus. Mr. Pathan, Chinku Pathan, he was also arrested, and another drug peddler has confirmed about it. So the purview of this entire investigation rounds about cracking down this Bollywood and drug mafia nexus, and because of that, the Narcotics Bureau in working in that direction, and Gaurav Arya can be expected to be a major link in this. He can be expected to be a major key in this entire investigation. Gaurav Arya has been repeatedly questioned. He owns a high-profile restaurant in North Goa as well. Now, if you look at it, yesterday also the people who were arrested, peddlers, some kind of drug packets were collected from them, and those drug packets were supposed to travel to Goa. Now, what is this link working? How these Bollywood people who usually frequent Goa, how this entire nexus operates, who are the people mainly from the Bollywood circle, the A-listers who have been supplying drugs to the entire Bollywood fraternity, to these main parties as well. Is there how many insiders from Bollywood are involved? This all questions will come to light as and when the investigation continues, and when the investigation continues, we can expect more skeletons to tumble out of the closet.
Right, and as far as Imtiyaz Khatri is concerned, now it seems that the investigative agencies, Arunil, will have to focus on him. The kind of presence that several photographs of this man established really with the top names in Bollywood is extremely significant.
Well, that is right, Preeti. Imtiaz Khatri, we can expect the Narcotics Bureau as well as the CBI to question Imtiaz Khatri soon. This is because, not only because of the claims that Ashok Sarogi is making, but as per these people who have been held till now, if at all they take names of Imtiaz Khatri, then it will be very much difficult for Imtiaz Khatri and the so-called politicians that he has been close to. Now, these are the claims. Now, with respect to Imtiaz Khatri, he has been only named by the lawyer of Shruti Modi, probably an attempt by the lawyer to distance his client from this entire drug menace, drug angle that has been coming up, and telling the world that who are the people who supply drugs, who are the people who basically procured these drugs, and actor Sushant Singh Rajput, basically, it may be a link to actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death as well. All these angles have been thoroughly probed at present by the CBI, by the ED, by the NCP as well. Now, what exactly comes out of this, we can hope that it will be extremely startling, and some big names will be revealed as well, mainly from the Bollywood circle as well as from the political fraternity.
All right, and we'll keep a close watch on all these developments. Times now being always ahead of others in reporting the latest developments concerning this story. For the moment, thanks very much, Arunil, for joining us with your inputs. We have to take a very quick break here. We'll be back on Morning News Hour in just a bit.